In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a phone number to your Facebook Marketplace for 2025. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that by the end of this guide, you'll confidently have your phone number added and ready for use on the platform. Let's get started by opening up your web browser and heading over to Facebook. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, you'll want to look towards the upper right-hand corner where your profile picture is located. Clicking here will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, scroll down to find the option labeled Settings and Privacy and give that a click. This section is where you'll manage various settings related to your account and personal information. After clicking Settings and Privacy, the next action you should take is to click on Settings. This action will direct you to a new page where you can fine-tune your account settings. On the left side panel of this page, you'll see several options. You will need to select Personal Details. It might be labeled slightly differently based on updates or changes, but generally, it will refer to the section containing your personal account information. Once you've accessed your personal details, the next step is to locate the Contact Info section. This is where Facebook stores all the contact information associated with your account, including phone numbers and email addresses. Clicking here will bring up all the contact options you currently have on file. To add a new phone number, look for the option within the Contact Info page that allows you to add or modify your phone number. Depending on your settings, you might need to verify your identity by entering your password or confirming via a pop-up on your phone. Once you've verified your identity, you'll be able to type in the new phone number you wish to add. After entering your phone number, Facebook typically sends a verification code via SMS to the number you provided. This step ensures that the number is active and that you have access to it. Keep your phone close as you'll need to enter this verification code back into the Facebook window. Once the code is entered and verified, your phone number will be successfully added to your Facebook Marketplace profile. Finally, it's crucial to double-check your privacy settings to determine who can view your phone number. Depending on your preferences, you might wish to keep it visible to friends or hidden from everyone except yourself. Adjust these settings as you see fit. That's it for today, folks. By following these steps, you should have successfully added your phone number to Facebook Marketplace. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you next time.